In this video, I'll show you how to build the iceberg on Chera charts, also known as a hidden quantity order. So this is a powerful features for those who want to trade large options or positions without revealing the full size to the market. So listen carefully as I explain each step since I won't be able to show you some steps in here due to restrictions, and listen carefully so you can follow along. So first thing first, make sure your trading interface is visible. So assuming the Chera chart, all visuals is visible in here. So now go to the trade section on the top menu and then select the open trade window for chart. And this will opens up your order configuration panel. So next, under the order times, choose a length order or a stop limit order depending on your strategy. So the iceberg functionality works best with these order types though. So to set a display quantity, now there's the key part in the trade window. Look for the display quantity or kitty wick field. And let's say you want to place a 100 lot order but only show 10 at the time to the market, you would enter like order quantity of 100 and then display quantity 10. So this will send a visible 10 lot order, and every time it's filled, CN Trade will automatically report an order, then until the full 100 is filled. And to place order, double check your order size and display quantity, then click buy or sell based on your position, and you'll now see only the smaller portion reflected in the order book. So that's your iceberg in actions, and that's it. So that's how you build an iceberg order on Chera charts. So if you found this really helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.